Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to activate quiet time on the following device. So at the very beginning, slide down the upper bar, tap twice to open it fully, and then select Do Not Disturb. And that's it, since now DND mode is on. If you would like to switch it off, just tap on the same icon one more time. If you would like to personalize it, just tap on DND mode and hold it for about 2 seconds. And now you can activate it manually here, or you can set Enable Automatically mode. So just tap on Enable Automatically, and here you can pick the days. So for example, let's choose Sunday and Saturday, and also the hours. So let's start from 10 p.m. and the end time will be 7 a.m. next day. And since now, once it's activated, on every Sunday and Saturday between 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. next day, DND mode will be on. You can also allow some content, so you can, for example, allow notifications once this mode is on, just like that. You can go to Allow Messages From, and here you can allow from anyone, from contacts only, from favorite contacts only, or disallow all. Let me pick, for example, Allow Messages From, Favorites. And then you can also select Allow Calls From, and it's actually just the same story, so you can either allow calls from anyone, from contacts only, from favorites, or disallow all. So let me pick disallow all, and that's it. Oh, sorry, that's it. If you'd like to turn off Enable Automatically mode, just tap over here. And if you'd like to switch off Enable manually, just tap on the same icon. You can also enter this mode, enter the DND menu through the settings, so just go to the settings, then go to sound and vibration, and to quiet time here, and now you can do exactly the same things. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.